Your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Well, Justin, all I have to say is TGIF.
No doubt.
How's the weather looking as we finally head into the weekend?
Well, it's not going to be quite as dry as this week, Gianni. We do have some rain moving in for the weekend and some snow on the backside. Fortunately, it's not going to be too messy around here. I think it'll be more further north where they'll see the snow, although a lot of folks hope for some snow. I mean, otherwise, we're going to have temperatures right around freezing next week. It'll be rather gray, I should say, and dreary to look at. Right now, temperatures right around 40 outside MSU tonight. The highs today, they surged to 50 along and south of the I-94 corridor. You see running from Ann Arbor through Jackson and Marshall. All those folks were in the 50s. Everyone else was in the mid to upper 40s, and we'll continue to hold on to the 40-degree temperatures for the next hour or two this evening. You see it here, but we are going to stay right around those upper 30s overnight, so not too much further to go as we have that south wind to deal with. Again, milder air to the south. It's near 60 in Indianapolis right now, but as you see in Chicago, Green Bay, and otherwise, temperatures only in the low to mid 30s. We'll continue to see the cool air filter in behind this system as it comes in over the next couple of days. Doppler radar shows the rain approaching now. It's over West Michigan, just some light rain showers, Kalamazoo up towards Grand Rapids along that US 131 line, but for the most part, we'll wait another hour or two before we see the rain really start to fall around here. It does come in overnight, part of a larger system that makes its way into the Great Lakes region. There is some snow on the northern side of this, but I do think that the rain-snow line is going to run right through the middle of the lower peninsula, so we'll have snow to the north, especially up near Cadillac, Mount Pleasant, areas towards Alpena. Going to see between 6 and 10 inches of snow more than likely. But down here, we're going to deal with mostly rain across the area for the next few days. Now, the evening planner here has us holding steady in the upper 30s. Light rain coming in as we get over the next couple of hours. Eventually gets into some more steady rain overnight. So we'll have those rain showers coming in mainly late. Low tonight's only around 36, 37 degrees. So it's not too cool. We're staying relatively mild. This is around the average high for this time of year. So we are on the warmer side. The future track will show us staying with the rain throughout the overnight. And yes, we could have some rumbles of thunder as this comes through, especially during the daytime tomorrow. You can see the bursts of rain as we go from not only the 9 o'clock a.m. time frame to about 5 or 6 p.m. We'll have some steady rain across the area. Now we taper off to some lighter showers, I do think, when we get into our Saturday night. And some of these we could have some snowflakes mix in. But as you see, that rain-snow line, even our model here agrees, mainly along and north of M21. So more or less, if you're south of St. John's or in or south of St. John's, you probably won't see much snow at all out of this system this weekend. We'll just end up seeing mostly rain. North, going to have a very sharp cutoff where the rain-snow line falls. We'll be monitoring that throughout the day tomorrow too. But as we get into our Sunday, you see outside of a few early flurries, we eventually kind of clear the clouds out. It'll be partly to mostly cloudy late in the day Sunday, but temperatures are going to be on the cooler side for the next couple of days past that. So the Saturday planner here, it holds us getting into those upper 40s tomorrow, but it's going to be a rainy day overall. We've got the clouds hanging on. It's a very gray day as well, but eventually I think the high does get to around 47 or 48 degrees. We'll probably have more or less across the area a widespread about ½ inch to 1 inch of rain for the most part, and it's going to be a different story once we get into next week. We're going to be drier, but we're also going to be cooler. So you see we have the great chance of rain for Saturday. That'll hold true for our 3-day forecast here. Temperatures are only in the low to mid 30s. We'll have some snow on the back side of the system, but mainly going to stick further north of here. And temps again here only going to be in those low to mid 30s over the next couple of days. We eventually start to see a slight warming trend into late next week, but this is around what we should expect for December. High temps only in the 30s.